Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. Today we will be drawing a mouse, so let's get started. The first thing that you'll want to do is draw a circle. After you draw your circle, you're going to make some mouse ears. So we're going to make some nice round ears. They remind me of an upside down letter C. And then inside those ears, we're going to make some smaller upside down letter C's for the inside of our mouse's ears. Let's move on to the face of our mouse and let's make some little oval eyes. And then at the top of these oval eyes, let's make a little curved line and then fill in the bottom. These are the reflection marks on our mouse's eyes, so when the light comes down and reflects, it'll appear to be a little bit white. Let's make a little nose for our mouse and a little mouth. And if you'd like to put a little tongue in there, go ahead and do that as well. Let's put a couple of little cheeks. I like to color these in pink. And then let's make some whiskers. I like to just make 2 or 3 whiskers, not too many. All right, the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to make our mouse's body. So we're going to make a curved line and a curved line. And then we're going to make some feet down here. So let's make some toes. And those are just some curved lines going up and down, up and down. And then let's close this up at the bottom. And then let's go back up to the top and we can make some hands and arms for our mouse. And one really important thing that we need for our mouse is a long tail. I like to make my mouse tail long and curvy, and then I like to double it up. This mouse is going to be sitting in the grass. So I'm going to make a line. I lift my marker up and then I come out the other side. We do not ever want to go right through our mouse because then he'll have a line right on top of him. Let's make some grass. That's just some spiky lines. Maybe one even over here. And then we can make some clouds. If you want to make a sun, go ahead and do that. It's up to you. This is your artwork. So you get to do what you want to do. Maybe make another cloud over here. So sometimes people like to put a sun in the corner. Put another cloud in the corner. All right, I'm pretty happy with that. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I'll see you next time.